friends, welcome back! Let's work together today to build sunflowers using Lego. Are you ready? Let's do it! There are 191 pieces, so we're going to need to work very hard, and we're going to need to work together. Here we go! We're starting off by building the sunflower's petals, which are often yellow. However, a sunflower's petals can be orange, red, and even brown. This looks great! Awesome job! Now on to the next. The inner parts of the sunflower are called the disc florets. They are responsible for producing the seeds. There we go, all done. Now, my friends, let's work on a very important part of the sunflower, the stem. The stem is very important because it supports this very large flower. It also transfers water and nutrients. Our Lego sunflowers look so awesome, boys and girls! Good job! Boys and girls, sunflowers are amazing! The reason they always face the same direction is because they turn their heads to follow the sun all day. Look closely. A sunflower's center is made of tiny flowers, each one turning into a seed. My friends, did you know that sunflowers actually help to clean the earth? They're like nature's superheroes. They can absorb harmful toxins from the soil and help clean the environment. Boys and girls, aren't sunflowers amazing? Thank you so much for learning all about them with me today and for building them as well. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.